Sale is this 1969 Rally Sprite motorized bike. It is customized with a custom seat and it has a custom engine. I've got a custom head on here I built myself. Got a custom muffler that I built myself. Custom electrician, start, built that myself too. It's got the racing carburetor that they sell, which has been modified to make it work, and it's got a bigger piston. The frame itself is quite different. It is pretty cool. It's unique to itself. Is this 1960s, 70s Rally Sprite with a custom 2-stroke engine on a motorized bike. It is pretty cool. Man, does it ever fly. Runs okay. Runs good. That's the Rally Sprite bike. Well, here's my bike build there. Okay, cool. So if you like my video, please click like and subscribe below. Yay, I hope you enjoyed it.